Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the top features of Google Bard, which is the competitor of ChatGPT. ChatGPT I have already discussed in my videos. So in this video I'm going to discuss the top features of Google Bard that you can use or you must know. So let's start. So when you go to this site bard.google.com, it asks you for a prompt. So you can write any query here. So let's write a query. For example, so if I write top news of India today, so it will generate suggestions based upon my query. Okay, as you can see, so here are the top news stories in India, and see it has generated all the useful content within a second. You can write you can read all the news with the help of Google Bard. Another option that Google Bard provides is the voice search, which is this option is not provided in the Chat GPT. You can click on this and you can search using voice. Another feature that Google Bard provides, it has integration with many programming languages. If you are from computer science background, for you can write any program to generate, for example, so I have written a query Python program to find duplicates in a file. So it will generate the program. You can see it has generated the program with the help of, you can see. Okay, and you can also see the other drafts also. So this is the one response that Google Bard has created. You can use other drafts also. So this is the draft one, so you can click on this draft 2. You can also click on draft 3. So it has provided by default 3 drafts. You can see, you can write any query and it will provide you different drafts, and you can select any one which you are comfortable with. Another important feature is, you can see it has the option to export. So this is the response, and if you can see there is a one option, export response, and you can click on here and you can export it to the Google Docs, or you can also write the email right from the Google Bard. You can draft it in the Gmail, and you can also export to the Google Colab. So it's very helpful, and you can also search, so from anything from here, right from here, Google it. You can Google it any search from here. So let's write another query. If I write query 500 words on Indian culture, so let's see its response. So let's see what it suggests you. Okay, you can see it has generated a 500 word description of the Indian culture, and you can also check the other drafts. So you can try different combinations of your queries on the Google Bard, and basic feature that it provides, you can uh, mark the response as good or bad. It will help the model to learn. You can export the response, you can Google it, you can voice search of any information. So it is very helpful, Google Bard. You must use this for generating the responses. So in this video I have discussed the different features of Google Bard that you must try. Thank you for watching.